You talk to people every day. You message, you scroll, you laugh online. So why does it still feel like no one really knows you? We have never been more connected. Screens everywhere, voices everywhere, and yet, so many of us feel completely alone. Surrounded by people, surrounded by messages, surrounded by noise. Loneliness used to mean being by yourself. Today, it follows us everywhere, even online. Loneliness is no longer rare. It's everywhere. More people than ever say they feel isolated, even when they're constantly connected, especially the younger generation, the most online generation in history. We gained instant communication, but slowly lost real connection. Social media promised us connection. Instead, it taught us comparison. We scroll through perfect lives, perfect bodies, perfect friendships, and without noticing, we start feeling left behind. Online, everyone is performing. Very few are being real. And you can't truly connect with something that isn't real. We talk more than ever, but we say less than ever. Conversations became short, safe, empty. We don't want to be a burden. We don't want to seem weak. So we hide the truth behind small talk. And when nobody knows the real you, loneliness grows quietly. Being vulnerable used to create connection. Today it feels risky. Open up, and you might be ignored, judged, replaced. So people build walls, emotional armor. I'm fine. It's nothing. I'll handle it alone. But humans were never meant to survive like this. Online interaction gives dopamine, not intimacy. Likes feel good. Messages feel exciting, but they fade quickly. Real connection needs time, attention, presence, things algorithms don't reward. And when everything becomes fast, relationships do too. Healing loneliness doesn't start online. It starts with one real moment, one honest conversation, one person truly listening, not performing, not pretending, just being real, even when it's uncomfortable. Depth over distraction. Loneliness is not a personal failure. It's a human response to a disconnected world. And if you feel alone, you're not broken. Maybe the answer isn't more followers. Maybe it's fewer connections, but real ones. Technology was supposed to bring us closer. Instead, it often pushes us apart. Notifications interrupt real conversations. Algorithms replace curiosity with comfort. We can reach anyone, and yet feel untouchable. Every ping, every like, every message tricks our brain into thinking we're connected, while our hearts remain empty. Loneliness is often fueled by comparison. We scroll through polished lives and ask, why isn't my life like this? The truth is, social media isn't life. It's a highlight reel. And comparing yourself to someone else's highlight is like comparing your whole day to one frame of theirs. Connection doesn't need words. It needs presence. Listening fully without distractions is revolutionary. Being heard creates belonging. Being seen creates trust. Sometimes just asking someone, "How are you really doing?" is enough to break the cycle of loneliness. Healing loneliness doesn't require drastic change. Small habits matter. Putting down your phone for an hour, saying yes to a real conversation, writing your thoughts down instead of scrolling. These little actions ripple outward, slowly building real, lasting connection. Humans are wired for community. Loneliness thrives in isolation. Connection thrives in shared spaces. Whether it's a local club, a class, or an online group that meets offline, finding people who share your values creates belonging. Community is more than contact. It's shared experience. It's witnessing life together. The future of connection isn't digital. It's intentional. We can't rely on technology to fix what we've lost, but we can use it wisely, as a tool to bring people together, not replace them. Loneliness is a warning sign, a signal that something deeper is missing. The choice is ours: scroll endlessly, or reach out, hide behind a screen, or truly connect.